Angel, but you got a halo. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Kalimo back at it again with another video for you today. You know what I mean? I know it's been a little while, but I'm in the process of moving and unpacking. As you can see, you know, boxes everywhere. Kitchen gotta be cleaned, and I know the kitchen gotta be cleaned because this video is a cooking segment. Cooking with Mo in the kitchen. Before we jump into this video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and, you know, just give me some ideas of what you want to see and how you want to see it and when you want to see it, you know. Give me, like, some ideas of when these videos should be posted so I can be more consistent, you know, like, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, dead. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Yeah. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. TTS. TTS. Hey. TTS. Hey. But like I said, we're going to be cooking in this video today. You know, we're going to go clean the kitchen. Clean the kitchen and get started. We're going to be trying to make pot roast. This is my first time making it. So, keep in mind, I did say trying, you know. I read some recipes and, you know, ingredients, and I got all that stuff. So, yeah. I'm going to go clean the kitchen, and then I'll be back and we'll get right started. We'll get started right here. Yeah, that. Bye. We're going to get this thing on the roll because I'm a little nervous. So, I'm going to get my pots and pans. I'm going to season my meat first. By the way, my hands are clean. I already washed my hands and all that. I'm not no dirty cook, okay? So, yeah. Got our garlic. Get all this out my way. I only use 4 cloves of garlic. They say chewing gum makes you not cry with onions. 1 second. Let's see if it worked. I think it's a myth though. I'm actually gonna use this whole onion because I'm nasty and I like onions. I can't even see the garlic, like my I don't cook. This is why I don't cook. Oh my god, this is why I don't cook and I got onions in my hands. This is why I don't cook. Okay. I forgot my green onions. Sorry. Oops. Back to the chopping board. I'm gonna get like 2 of them. Alright, so I got all this stuff together. We just gonna mix it up. Like that, such, you know, get a little color. Oh, this should be able to fit in. Yep. So we got our rolls. Ugh. I hate touching raw meat. It's disgusting to me. Ugh. I'm gonna just rinse this because I'm a germaphobe. You know, if you putting dried up blood on your meat sometimes, I'm just gonna rinse it real quick. I'm just gonna pat dry with these peppers. Okay. So, easy peasy beautiful. We're gonna start off with a little bit of salt. tenderizer. Rub that baby in there. Garlic powder. Some Cajun seasoning that's almost gone. Oh. New Orleans Cajun seasoning. Yep. Give it a little hit to it, baby. And yeah. Like some more. Some Italian seasoning. You know, I just like flavor. Oh, it's not even open, thanks. There we go. Now we're talking. A little paprika. This garlic and herb stuff, between onions and garlic, I love it. A little Worcestershire sauce, so however you pronounce it. Worcestershire, I don't care. And we're gonna flip this baby over and do the same thing. Your hands need to look like this or worse, okay? One second. Okay. So me, I'm just gonna place this thing in here so my juices can flow. And just start putting some of my seasonings in it. Like, tuck it in there. Let it, you know. Oop. I see it. Clean up. Let all these onions and garlic roast in there. Get it in there, you know. Tuck it in there like somewhere. Every nook and cranny and crevices, there should be some onion somewhere, a garlic clove somewhere, everything somewhere. And we're gonna cover it up. If you have a crock pot, I know it's gonna be easier for you. But I ain't got one. So yeah. Bon appetit. We're gonna pop that in the oven for about forever and then come back and then cook all the other sides. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so this is like 2 hours later. Literally 2 hours later. So we're about to check it and see what's going on with it. I don't have no big fork or nothing. Oh, it's not there yet. It's not where I want it to be. I like tender. It ain't there yet. It ain't there yet, so give it a little bit more time in here, but it's gonna be good. Oh my god, it's gonna be good. Give it about another hour. Right, guys, it's literally 3 in the morning, like 3 in the morning, and I'm just now taking a little step. It's not burnt or nothing. I just want it to be really tender, like really. So, I'm sorry, I just seen it being tender. So, yeah. We're gonna take it out the oven real quick and see how it's looking. Alright, guys. Let's check this bad boy out. Ooh. I don't know. Ooh. Oh. Look at that. Can't even pick it up. Falling off the bone. I mean, falling off together. Yes. Let's see if I can solve it again. Oh. Oh. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Yes. Oh. Yes. 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 Oh my God. Oh my God. As you can see, the roast is finished. It's tender, like. My little onions and stuff all melted in there and caramelized, man. We about to start the rice and the green beans. Okay, so it's the wrong one. So we're gonna be cooking yellow rice. My hot. I just got some like frozen green beans because that's how I like to cook it. I got my pot for the rice and my little saute pan. I'm gonna saute. I cut this thing up. My little saute pan. I'm gonna saute the green beans in. So for the green beans, I'm just gonna use some olive oil, some onions and garlic, you know, and my secret ingredient.